Hi, everyone. This video will show you how to fix OneDrive error 0x800701AA on Windows 10 or 11 in 4 ways. Fix 1. Check available disk space. Press Win and E to open File Explorer. Go to this PC and find the OneDrive-related drive. Right-click on it to choose Properties to check its storage space. If the drive has insufficient free storage space, hit the OneDrive icon from the system tray. Click on the gear icon and hit Settings. In the Account tab, click on Unlink this PC. Tap on Unlink Account to confirm this action. Then, relog into your account. Choose another location for syncing. Fix 2. Perform an SFC scan. Press Win and R altogether to open the Run dialog. Type CMD and press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter to launch an elevated command prompt. In the command window, type SFC/scan now and wait for its completion. Fix 3. Reset OneDrive. Press Win and R to open the Run box. Type the on-screen command and hit Enter. If this command doesn't work, run another command on the screen instead. Fix 4. Reinstall OneDrive. Open Control Panel. Under Programs, hit Uninstall a program. Scroll down to find Microsoft OneDrive. Right-click on it to choose Uninstall. Once done, search for OneDrive for Windows on your browser. Select the best match. Download and install the app from scratch. Suggestion: sync your files with MiniTool ShadowMaker. Launch MiniTool ShadowMaker. Click on Keep Trial. Go to the sync page. In Source, select the folders and files you want to sync. Go to Destination to select a storage path. Click on Sync Now to start the process. After completion, quit this program. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.